Hi everyone, I'm your MyHomeware bathroom assistant for Australian bathing renovations. A bathtub is essential for a better quality of life. A lot of first-time renovators are curious. Bathtubs on the market can range from a few hundred to over $1,000. So how much should you actually spend on a bathtub when renovating in Australia? In this video,
The MyHomeware bathroom assistant will take you
through 7 different bathtubs at various price points to see what kind of bathing experience you can get for your money. If you're after great value and have a smaller budget, even with a budget of around a few $100s, you can still get yourself a pretty decent bathtub. This Macho Eudora freestanding oval tub is made of smooth, glossy white acrylic. Sizes from 1.2 to 1.7 meters fit any bathroom. It creates a great vibe and looks fantastic from any angle. If you're after a bit of mystery, you can also consider a built-in bathtub. This Poseidon acrylic built-in bathtub is perfect for a tight budget, costing less than $1,000. Its lines are sharp and neat, it blends seamlessly with your bathroom, and cleaning is also a breeze. If your budget goes up to under 2,000 Aussie dollars, you'll really notice an upgrade in the quality of bathtubs you can choose from. At this price, you'll get a different experience in both functionality and design. Consider the Poseidon matte freestanding oval bathtub. Its unique, stylish design makes a statement, like one from the movies. For a more understated, minimalist vibe, check out the Piazza Dea freestanding bathtub. Its elegant, water drop shape is also affordable at only $1,657. If you want to enjoy the same bath and massage experience at home as you would in a hotel, then you definitely can't miss the Allura Spa series from Broadway. It's a built-in spa bathtub for under $2,000, such great value. This bathtub has upgraded your everyday soak to a 4-jet hydrotherapy spa experience, easily washing away the fatigue of the whole day. If you want both the massage enjoyment of a spa and the minimalist, stylish look of a freestanding bathtub, then you should check out the Broadway Redondo series. Made right here in Australia, with water pumps and electrics all meeting safety and quality standards, so you don't have to worry about the pump breaking down unexpectedly. The jets and central control buttons can be customized in any color you like, so all you princesses out there will have your needs met. Once your budget goes above $4,000, a bathtub really stops being just a vessel for bathing. It becomes a work of art in its own right. You probably never imagined that a bathtub could be made from resin. The ABS Petty series features transparent resin bathtubs, available in 8 colors. The unique material, combined with a modern European minimalist romance, really lights up your bathroom space. Have you ever seen a concrete bathtub? The Fianza Jade freestanding bathtub in concrete grey has such a solid, weighty feel. As soon as you put it in your bathroom, you're instantly immersed in that boutique hotel vibe. It's like moving into a designer 5-star suite. If you're after a more designer and atmospheric luxury bathtub, you can't go past the Colour Valley Stone Resin bathtub. Meticulously designed by an international brand, its cradle shape paired with geometric lines makes it both a work of art and an everyday essential, instantly giving your bathroom that holiday vibe. Just looking at it fills you with happiness.
If you'd like to see bathtubs at different prices, feel free to visit the MyHomeware Sydney bathroom showroom.
If you want to know more about bathtubs for your Sydney bathroom renovation, or have any questions about choosing a bathtub, just leave us a comment below. See you next time.